Hi. Mention 16 heroes mentioned in the book of Hebrew.
16 heroes mentioned in the book of Hebrews chapter 11. Yes. Wanaibia, wanaanza kuibia. Huyu ndiye genuine.
Moses.
Amen. Huyu ameibia, wacha tumpee tu. Gideon, Shine.
Enoch.
Abraham.
Shine. Mwingine ndio yule huko. Hata hawajamaliza kuibia. Kuna mmoja pale. Nani? Abel. Wamefika 16 kweli? Joseph, Shine. Mwingine?
Rahab the prostitute.
Amen. Shine. Wameisha kweli? Hawajaisha? Joseph wameanza kurudi. Mwingine? Aya. We are only at 9, yes? Sarah, mwambie Shine. Joshua, mwambie Shine. Caleb, Shine.
Barak.
Shine. Hata wakati tumewapatia kulua muibi. Say amen. Sasa enda funguo kitabu ya Hebrews. Alafu utapata.
Hello, church. Here we have the interesting facts in the Bible. Adam and Eve were created, but they died, while Elijah and Enoch were born, but they didn't die.
Hello? Mulisikia hiyo? Haya. Sasa tega sikio.
Adam and Eve were created, but they died, while Elijah and Enoch were born, but they did not die.
Hiyo maneno. Adam and Eve they were, but they, and then Enoch and did what? Were born. They did not.